The Hanatora EVO II charger is expertly crafted to support a wide range of Autel EVO II Series batteries, making it a versatile choice for drone enthusiasts. This charging hub stands out with its ability to simultaneously charge 3 batteries and 1 remote controller, significantly reducing downtime with a full charge time of only 110 minutes for all 3 batteries. Safety is a top priority with the Hanatora EVO II charger, featuring robust protection against overcharge, overvoltage, overtemperature, and short circuits, ensuring peace of mind during use. A unique cooling exhaust fan is integrated into the design, efficiently managing heat to prevent high temperatures during the charging process. The charger operates with an input range of 100 volts to 240 volts and offers a DC output of 13.2 volts at 12 amperes, accommodating various power sources. Hanatora has engineered this charger with a durable anodic oxidation shell that provides a non-conductive surface and added grounding for enhanced safety.